Yo people, wagwan, welcome back to Jamaica John Charts. If you're new here, be sure to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future updates. In today's video, we have quite a bit of exciting progress to share on one of the most talked about developments in Jamaica, the Pinnacle, set to become the tallest building project in the country. Let's jump right into it. Here, we're flying closer to the commercial building, and already you can see that this section of the structure seems to have received its final coat of paint. The building's design is really starting to come alive, but what's even more exciting is the decorative pieces now being installed on the exterior. These elements are expected to give the building a distinctive look, helping it to stand out from anything else we have seen in Montego Bay so far. Are you excited? Now, we're taking it up a notch, flying above the commercial center to get a good look of what's happening on the roof. A large section is now covered with what appears to be hundreds of solar panels, a major step towards sustainability and energy efficiency. These will likely help to power the commercial space once it opens. We're also seeing parts of what seem to be refrigeration units for the air conditioning system. With this much progress, what do you think? Could this building be ready for the public viewing planned for July? Let me know in the comments. Let's talk about the Swallowtail Tower, the main event and truly the talk of the town. This tower is rising at a rapid pace and work is now being done on the 16th floor. That means only 12 more floors to go before we reach the final 28th. Can you start to picture how this will look once it's completed? It's already starting to dominate the skyline, and it's clear that this will be a major landmark, not just for Montego Bay, but for Jamaica as a whole. Next up, let's turn our attention to the second of the four planned tower, the Canary. After several months of driving past deep into the ground, We're now seeing real progress above ground, with pile caps currently being cast. This is a strong indicator that vertical construction is about to begin. Expect this tower to start rising anytime soon. And right between the Swallowtail and the Canary Towers, work is actively ongoing on what will become the leisure deck. This shared space will include amenities like pools, lounging areas, cabanas, kids play area, and a bar. As you can see, heavy steelwork is in progress and the structure is beginning to take form. This deck will likely serve as a key connection point between towers and will be a major feature of the development.
Why don't you just stay in my arms tonight? Why don't we press pause?
And that brings us to the end of today's update on the Pinnacle. It's clear that construction is moving full steam ahead, and every visit shows significant new developments. From the nearly finished commercial center to the towering Swallowtail and the upcoming Canary, this site is evolving quickly into what could become one of Jamaica's most iconic addresses.
'Cause whatever, forever, we can do the we're together. Just rise, fall nice. You and me be lighter than a feather. Never ever, war zone. Gonna fly with she and heavy. Suddenly we see the same. Why don't you just stay?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Let us know what you think about the progress so far, and whether you believe that July's timeline is realistic. Until next time, this is Jamaica Drone Shots, bringing you the sky-high view of Jamaica's future.
Being close to you, stop it might be losing us. I know this hard is not who we are. Come on, baby, we got this. 'Cause whatever.